Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the ballerina shoes on Dress to Impress. So you'll need to purchase it from the Magical Girl set. Just go here and then go to this section and then go to Myra the Magical Girl, view, and select this one and purchase it. I already own it, so I'm just going to go to the dressing room here and then I'm going to select this. Now it looks like doesn't look like nothing, but it looks like normal shoes right now. I'm just gonna color it white for everything first. Okay, so you're just going to select the shoes, select the toggle and do ballet, and it's going to give you cute ballet shoes. And that is how you can get ballet shoes on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.